Video, I want to show you one of the most fascinating objects in space. This is the Helix Nebula, often called the Eye of God. It is located about 650 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Aquarius. Astronomers call a planetary nebula. The colorful ring you see here is actually hot gas expanding outward, traveling through space at tens of kilometers per second. Over time, these gases spread farther and farther away from the dying star. At the center of this nebula is the stellar core that remains, known as a white dwarf. This tiny star is extremely dense and incredibly hot, and its radiation makes the surrounding gas glow. The entire nebula is enormous. The Helix Nebula is over 1 light-year across. That means light itself takes more than a year just to travel from one side to the other. To understand how big that is, imagine placing our entire solar system inside it. Even the orbit of Neptune would look like a tiny dot inside this huge cloud. Recently, the most powerful telescope in space, the James Webb Space Telescope, captured an even more detailed image of this nebula. Unlike older telescopes, Webb observes infrared light, which allows it to see through dust and reveal hidden structures. In these new images, scientists discovered thousands of comet-shaped knots of gas, sometimes called cometary knots. Each one is roughly the size of our entire solar system. These structures are formed as intense radiation from the dying star shapes the surrounding gas, and this gives us a glimpse of something incredible. One day, about 5 billion years in the future, our own sun may create a nebula very similar to this, meaning the future remains of our solar system could look something like the Helix Nebula.